Home Remedies presents how to use Vaseline for double hair growth. Your hair will grow 2 times faster. Hair loss and thinning are typical problems today. A decrease in hair quality, hair damage, and hair fall is caused by modern lifestyles, pollution, and the overuse of chemicals in regular hair care products. Today, the remedy I will share with you has super effective results in itself. So let's see how to make it. You will need onion 1, Vaseline 1 tablespoon. About the ingredients. Vaseline promotes hair growth and health by combating dandruff, managing split ends, and preventing moisture loss. The Vaseline will likely soak into your hair roots as well, which moisturizes your hair and may help it grow faster and healthier. Onion juice helps improve hair growth by boosting the level of an antioxidant enzyme which helps decompose hydrogen peroxide, optimizing the hair growth cycle. It helps nourish your hair follicles with its rich content of sulfur. Sulfur is essential for the regeneration of your hair follicles. Procedure: peel the onion, grate the onion, and extract its juice. Add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline in it. Now melt the Vaseline using double boiler method or water bath. Once melted completely, your remedy is ready to use. How to use the remedy for hair growth? Apply the mixture well on your scalp and massage for 2 minutes until the mixture penetrates into your scalp. Now wrap your hair with a cling film, leave it on for 1 hour and then wash it. For best results, repeat this recipe 1 time a week. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.